Hey, Carol and Mike Church here. We are in downtown Gaffney, South Carolina, in front of Hartzog's
Yeah.
store. We're going to go in. We haven't ever been here before. Apparently, it's very historical.
Yeah, it was the Star Theater. It was built in 1902 and cost $20,000.
Awesome.
That's all.
Yeah. So we're here on a Monday. So a lot of times when we see, small towns like this, a lot of stores are closed on Mondays because they're usually open for the weekend. So it's not unusual to see, several stores closed, but this one is open. So we're going to go on in and see what they have. Let's do it.
Hi.
Hello.
Hi. Good.
How are you?
It's a cute little store. Looks like you got a little bit of everything. Is it like spread out everywhere? Yeah.
Is there anything we can help you find?
Today we are highlighting Gaffney, South Carolina. We're starting on Limestone Street in the historic downtown district. Gaffney is known as the peach capital of South Carolina. It's located in Cherokee County, South Carolina. It is home to the annual Peach Festival and the famous Peachoid water tower that looks like a huge peach. Residents here enjoy a sparse suburban feel, and most own their own homes. Many young professionals live here and retirees. Gaffney is in the upstate region of South Carolina, located right off the I-85 corridor, just 1 hour from Charlotte, North Carolina, and 1 hour from Greenville, South Carolina, and just 2 hours from the beach, and only 7 hours from major cities. The population as of 2022 is estimated around 12,454. The schools here are above average. Niche gives them an overall B-, and I will have a link below with more school information. And be sure to stay to the end. I will have a picture of the Gaffney High School. Gaffney High School is nationally ranked. It is a 65-acre campus, and they do have a separate 9th grade academy right next door, and a very nice football stadium known as the Reservation. Gaffney has small town charm, so it's a good place to raise children and retire, with plenty of community spirit, friendly people, and a slower pace of life. We're driving along the historic downtown district along Limestone Street. In this district, you'll see a variety of unique shops, restaurants, and just to name a few of the businesses, we went in Hartzog's, which has operated since 1946. A very nice store with all kinds of gifts and fine jewelry. There's also Zachary's Coffee Shop, a unique coffee shop that gives back to the community. There's also Harold's Restaurant, open since 1932. They are famous for their chili burgers, so be sure and check those out. Also in the area, there's the Henry L. Jolly Park. It's a 3-acre park with an amphitheater that seats approximately 3,000 and has a very nice walking path. They do have many events there. And a really big deal around here is on June 8th. They'll have the Juneteenth Family Fun Fest, starting at 10 o'clock in the morning until 4 o'clock in the afternoon. And then that same evening is a free concert from 7 o'clock p.m. to 10 o'clock p.m. And they do recommend bringing your own fold-up chair. Another big deal in the area is the Gaffney Outlet Marketplace. It's right off of I-85 at exit 90. They offer 40 outlet stores. There's also some nice restaurants over there. And there's also right next door is called the Big E Gaffney. It's a huge entertainment center. And as I mentioned earlier, I'd have pictures of the Gaffney High School, which is nationally ranked, and they do have the 9th grade academy right next door. So if you can see yourself living in Gaffney, South Carolina, feel free to reach out to me and Mike. We'll be glad to help you out. And as always, we thank you. And if you're enjoying this video and would like to see others like it, feel free to subscribe to our channel. And we'll see you next time.